Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. SEO is very important for our website. When it comes to SEO, on-page SEO, alt tags or image alternate tags is very important on our website. It really helps us in SEO. Without wasting any time, let's get start the video and I will teach you how to add image alt text on our website. As I am using Yoast SEO plugin, and here when I scroll down, when I expand this SEO analysis, I scroll down, it's showing me image key phrase. That means I don't have any alt text in my post. So how to check this? How to add alternative text on our website? As this is a blog post, I write this blog post, and I'm going to add a feature image with alt text. I will teach you different ways. Why different ways? Because in our website we should have all the alt text on our all images. I will teach you how to manually add one by one alt text on all images. So you don't need to open any particular or any single post to add alt text on that particular post. So we will click here on setting. You can see my mouse. Click on setting here, and I will click on post, not on blog. First I will click on post. When I scroll down, there will be option for featured image. We have featured image. Okay, now in your case you don't have any image yet. This can be blank, and while we are going to add any feature image, first way you can add alt text while you're uploading your image here. Let me show you. Let me click on set featured image. As example, this is my image. I select my image here. In the side here you will see the boxes called alt text. Either you can add your alt text here, and second we have title, caption. Okay, so here I have to add the alt text which is really relative to my image, which tell Google what your image is about, right? So let me add my alt text here. Let me copy my title and paste into alt text here. Okay, and I will click on set featured image. Okay, so now let's click on again this Yoast SEO and back to SEO analysis and scroll down. You will see image key phrase. We still facing this error. What you will have to do is click on update post. Let me refresh my post again. When I refresh my post, you will see we will not see that error again. Let me expand this SEO analysis. Let me scroll down. We still have. So what we will do here in this case, we will click again to setting. We will click on block. Okay, we have no any block. So what we will do, we will scroll down. We will check if we have any other image here. For example, this is the image we have. I just add this image, my logo here in my post, just to show you an example. Okay, when we add any image, okay, you will see in the blog section, in the setting, you will click on blog. You scroll down and you will see alternative text. So I already have this text. Okay, so in this case, let me go back. So let me read again. Image on this page have all attribute, but you not set the your key phrase. What that mean? That means we did not set our focus key phrase here. So focus key phrase is about focus keyword. that tell SEO, that tell Google what is your post about, the main title, the main focus keyword, which is here in my case is the post is about Pinterest account example. So let me set my focus key phrase here. Okay, I already provide my focus key phrase. Okay, in same focus key phrase, same, we have to add into as a alt text. I click again here. Here in alt text, we have to provide same text. Okay, so now we will go to Yoast SEO and you will see we have we not have the exact match of focus key phrase appear in SEO title but not at the beginning. What that mean? So we have to provide this text in the starting of the title like that. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, as you can see, we have fixed image key phrase. Good job. Okay, so the next way, let me update it. Okay, the next way is to provide all the text to all the image is manual way. How to do that? We will go to media section. We will click library. Okay, for example, you have 50 images or 10 images, even how many images you have. What we will do, let me click any image here. Okay, first image. In the first image, we have attachment detail. In attachment detail, you will see alternative text section. Keep provide your alternative text one by one. Okay, for example, just for example, right? So this is the image is about what you see in the image. You have to provide that detail here. Example, I write anything here. Okay, and okay, I have provide this alternate text here in this. Now I will click on next image. I click on next image is my logo and it already have alt text. Keep click on next. This image does not have alternate text and I will also provide this one. Keep next. Keep click on next and keep provide your alternate text. In this way you will add each of your image in media library. You will have to set one by one alternative text. Okay, and later on in SEO you will not see this error. Once you provide here your alternative text in the media library section, you don't need to provide again and again in the post. That will update in the post immediately. Okay, let me click on any other post just to show you example. Okay, let me click on this post, blogging your way to success. Let me open. Let me click on edit. Okay, we will check if we have alt text in this post. Okay, let it open. Okay, perfect. Okay, now click on Yoast SEO plugin. Expand this SEO and scroll down. Yeah, same image on this page does not have alt attribute that reflect the topic of your text. Means the topic is about blogging. I copy the blogging text. I click on the setting nearby Yoast plugin icon. You will see setting section. Click on that and scroll down to feature image. Click on that. Okay, in the alt text provide blogging. Okay, I have already provide blogging. In caption you can provide same. That okay. Set feature image. Okay, perfect. Now let me go to Yoast SEO and check if still we have. Okay, this saying that reflect topic of your text. Okay, I forget to provide focus key phrase first. Also provide blogging. Okay, now let me expand and you will see image on this does not have order that reflect your topic of your text and all tag or relevant image. Okay, relevant image. Okay, let me go back, click on update. After click on update, let me refresh. Let's check out if we have Same error again. Okay, let me expand this blogging. Okay, scroll down. Boom, we already fixed that. Image keep race, good job. Okay. Okay, the next way is to provide alternate text. uh, the easy way, the very easy way, while you upload any image. For example, this is blog post and I want to add any image somewhere here. Let me convert to blog. Okay, I want to add any image here between the blog post. Click on image. Okay, while we are uploading our image here, click on upload. Okay, let me upload any image. I upload this image. Okay, I upload this image, right? I click again on the image. I click on the image and I will go to setting. In the blog, I will click on blog. Make sure you will only see this blog section when you click on this image. You have to click, right click. Okay, eject click. You and go to blog, scroll down, here, alternate text. Here you provide the text. Okay, create free WordPress contact form. Okay, we can provide alternative text WordPress contact form. Provide that text here, click update. While you're uploading the image, you can provide alternate text. You don't need to do it again and again. That's very simple way. Okay, I really appreciate you guys give me time watch my videos. One thing I want to say here, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, because as I checked, you did not yet 70-80% people did not yet subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will really appreciate you please subscribe my YouTube channel and keep watching my videos. In next video we will talk about some other SEO settings, some other errors. We will fix that as well. You can find a link in description for my other videos. Thank you so much.